Janice, it's just pouring on us. Janice is over there. She's waving. We're trying to fish here. Ain't gonna happen.
We are back inside. These pants are not water resistant at all. I bought from MEC. They claimed it's water resistant, but obviously it wasn't. We didn't think it'd rain this much today. Janice, how you doing?
Cold.
Cold. Okay, I'll turn on the heat soon. How are you? Feet all wet? Yeah. Mine too. And see how much water I can squeeze out from my fleece, even though I was wearing my rain jacket. Okay. See you guys later. Bye.